Good morning children. I am Manjula, staff of Montessori Group of Schools, Telangana. So my subject is EVS. So before going to the topic, I will say a few points to you children. So in this video, I will explain the lesson 1, that is ecosystem. Okay, so the duration of this video is only 20 minutes. So I can't give more information about the lesson ecosystem. So if you want more information about the ecosystem, so you want to watch the online classes. Okay, better to watch online classes for more information. This is only substitute. Okay, so we are going to the lesson, the ecosystem. So what is our lesson name? The ecosystem. The ecosystem. So in this lesson, we are learning about what is the meaning of ecosystem, how the energy is flowing in the living things, and how the plants are preparing their food. Next, what is meant by food chain and different types of food chains. What is how the living things and non-living things are balancing the nature. So these are the topics I want to say in this lesson. Okay, so now I will introduce what is the meaning of the ecosystem. The term eco means, the meaning of eco means environment. Okay, and the meaning of system. System means interacting groups. Interacting groups. Yeah. So, what is the meaning of eco? Means environment. And system means interacting groups. So, what are the groups are present in the environment? For example, when we take the environment, nothing but our surroundings, our nature. So, many things are present in the nature. So, what are that? Things, living things and non-living things. Okay, so those are interacting together and making the ecosystem. Okay, so the meaning of ecosystem now I explained now. So, what is the meaning of ecosystem? I will say now. So, what is meant by ecosystem? Now I will say. So, ecosystem means when we see the nature, all living things are present, like a group of plants, group of animals. Okay, so group of plants, group of animals, they are feeding, living and reproducing in the same area. Okay, so that is called the ecosystem. What is the meaning of ecosystem? What is meant by ecosystem? Ecosystem is the group of animals or group of plants, they are living, reproducing and they are living together in a particular area, in the same area. That is called ecosystem. So, next topic we will discuss about how the things, living things are getting energy now. So, the energy flow in living things. How the energy flows from living things one by one, I will explain now. The energy flow in living things. How the energy is going to the one thing to another, I will explain now. For example, you take the plants. Okay, so when we take on the air, what is the main source of energy now? The main source of energy is nothing but sun. Sun is the ultimate source of energy. Okay, so plants are taking the sun's light. Okay, plants are taking sunlight and preparing their food. Plants are not depending on others children. Okay, so plants are trapping the energy, taking the energy from the sun and preparing food. Plants are preparing food. All of you know that thing now? So plants are preparing their food and the animals are there. Animals and human beings are there. Living things examples you know. No? Plants, animals and human beings. Okay. So plants are preparing food. That energy we are means animals and human beings are taking the food from the plants. We will get, for example, take human beings. Human beings are getting food from the plants and animals. Okay, so we are depending on the plants for food. Not only we, animals also depending on the plants for food. Okay, so animals are taking the food of plants. First, the sun's energy goes to the plants. Okay, then animals and human beings. Okay, so first sun's energy, the energy flow first to the plants and again from the plants to animals and human beings. Okay, so this is the flow of energy, children. The energy from the sun first goes to the plants, next from the plants to animals and human beings. This is the energy flow in living things. You remember one point, what is the main source of energy on the earth? The sun is the main source of energy on the earth. Okay, so that is the topic, second topic what we discussed. Next, how the plants are preparing food. How plants are preparing food. How the plants are preparing food. Okay, so for the preparation of food purpose, plants want 4 materials. How many? 4 materials. So what are that? First one is the sunlight. Second one is the water. Third one is the chlorophyll. 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 Next thing is carbon dioxide. So these are the 4 material one for preparation of the food by the plants. Okay, so you know it, sunlight. Okay, from the sun, plants are getting sunlight, light from the sun. Next, water. Water is present in the soil. Not only water, soil, water and minerals are present in the soil. Those are taking with the help of the roots. Plants are taking water and minerals by the roots and sending to all over parts of the body of the plant. Okay. Next, what is this? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means a green color substance. A green color pigment or substance present in the leaves. A green color pigment present in the leaves called the chlorophyll. So only green plants are capacity to prepare its own food, not other plants. Okay, some algae are there, green algae. Okay, so those are preparing food. The plants which are having which leaves are containing chlorophyll, those are preparing. They have capacity to prepare the food. Okay, next, carbon dioxide. Where this carbon dioxide is present? Carbon dioxide present in the air, atmosphere. Okay, then who is giving carbon dioxide to the plants? Human beings and animals. When we breathe out, carbon dioxide is releasing. That carbon dioxide is taken by the plants and preparing their food. Okay, so what is that process is called? That process is called the photosynthesis. What that process is called, children? Yeah, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process. Photosynthesis is the process of preparing food by the plant. The process of preparing food by the plants is known as photosynthesis. So in this photosynthesis process, which gas is using, children? Carbon dioxide is using. And which gas is releasing, children? Oxygen is releasing. Okay, so what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photo means light. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Putting together. Okay, so what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Light putting together. What putting together? No children? Means water and carbon dioxide. So water plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide putting together and what forming children? Means food. What is the food to the plant? Nothing but what is the food to the starch? Otherwise we can say glucose. Glucose plus what is releasing children? Oxygen. Oxygen is releasing in photosynthesis process. So this is the equation of photosynthesis. So in the presence of sunlight now. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. CHLORO PHYLL. Chlorophyll. Okay. So this is the equation of photosynthesis children. Water plus carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Plants are preparing food. Okay. What is the food for the plant? Nothing but glucose. So this prepared food is storing in different parts of the plants like fruits, stem, leaves. Okay. So that food we are using for our food. Okay. So this is about the how the plants are preparing food, for materials and the equation and the meaning of photosynthesis. Photo means light and putting together. What putting together? Water plus carbon dioxide joining, putting together and forming the food glucose, and which is releasing oxygen. Remember that oxygen is releasing in the photosynthesis process. And which gas is using? Carbon dioxide is using. Okay children, now we are discussing about the food chain. The topic what we discuss now about the food chain. Okay, listen now. So before going to the food chain, now we will discuss about the food chain children. So before going to the food chain, a few terms are there. We will discuss now. Okay. So first one is producers. When we take the food chain now, some terms are there. So what are the producers? Producers are, we can say, green plants. Green plants. So who are producing? Who are producing the food in the environment, means in the ecosystem? Means producers are nothing but green plants and some kinds of green algae children. Those are green bacteria, they are preparing the food. Okay. So green plants are called a producer. What are the examples of producer? Nothing but the green plants. Next, consumers. Consumers. So who are consuming the food? Consumer means, produce means you know. Food producing. Who are producing? Plants are, green plants are producing food. Consumers using. Who are using? Animals and human beings. Animals and human beings. Animals and human beings are using food. Either directly or indirectly we are depending on the green plants. Either directly or indirectly we are depending on the plants. Okay. Next, so we will discuss on according to the food we eat. According to the food we eat, the animals are classified into 3 types children. So first one is herbivores. Herbivores. Second one is the carnivores. Carnivores. Next, third one is the omnivores. Omnivores. Okay. Herbivores means the plants which are eating grass, otherwise plants. Those are plant products. Okay. Don't take only grass. Okay. So the herbivores are the animals which are eating plants. The animals which are eating plants, those are called herbivores. That animals are called herbivorous animals. What are that? Herbivorous animals. Next, carnivores means eating flesh of other animals. Flesh. Okay. flesh of other animals. Those are called carnivores. Flesh of other animals, those are called carnivores. Next, omnivores. Both means plant products, plants as well as animals. So these are called omnivores. Now we will see the examples. Herbivores. Examples for herbivores are goat, donkey, cow, buffalo, etc. Those are example for herbivores. Carnivores means lion, tiger, cheetah. Okay, so those are called carnivores. Flesh omnivores means crow, bear and human beings. Human beings are example for omnivores. Okay, so these are the types of consumers. Not only these, again some types are there. Okay, again some are there in the ecosystem. So what are that? Decomposers. Decomposers means, okay, for example, if any animal dies, any plant dies, so after some days you observe, they are remaining on the soil only? No. So decomposers are make these died animals and plant bodies into fine pieces, okay, and mixing into the soil. Okay, so those are called decomposers. Example, some bacteria are there. Bacteria and fungi. So these are the example for decomposers. Next one more there. Scavengers. Scavengers means same. So for example, you take vultures, hyenas, and hyenas. Okay, so vultures and hyenas, what they do, no? They are feeding on the dead animals. Vulture and then hyenas are feeding on the dead animal children. So they are feeding on that, and after some days we didn't find any dead animals and plant bodies on the earth. So these are called scavengers. Okay, scavengers, decomposers, producers and consumers. Producers, consumers, decomposers and scavengers. Okay, so that is about the food chain. Next we will discuss about the different kinds of food chains. Different kinds of food chains. Food chains. Different kinds of food chains we will discuss now. Different kinds of food chains. Okay. First we will discuss about the aquatic food chain. Aquatic food chain. Aquatic food chain means nothing but water. The term aqua indicates water. Aquaguard. Do you know aquaguard? Yeah, water. So water food chain. Okay. Same. Here also producers are there. Producers means small plants, children. Okay. Small plants are present in the water, no? Same. That green plants are called producers, and that small plants are green plants are eaten by the small fishes. Okay, and the small fishes are eaten by the big fishes. Okay, big fishes. Okay, producers, small fishes, and small plants are eaten by the small fishes, and small fishes are eaten by the big fishes. Okay, so like that. Even we take frogs. Okay, frogs are eating the small insects, small insects, and again that frog is eaten by the big animals, what is present in the water? Okay, aquatic food chain. Next, we will discuss about the terrestrial food chain, forest food chain. Second type is forest food chain. Forest food chain. Okay, nothing but forest means it is on the land, no? Land. We can say again aquatic food chain and terrestrial food chain. Terrestrial means nothing but the land food chain. Okay, so aquatic food chain, forest food chain. So when we take the forest food chain, here also many plants are present. Big plants are present now. Plants, and again plants are eaten by this deer. Okay, and deer is eaten by the tiger. Okay, plants, deer, tiger. So this is about the forest food chain. Okay, next we will discuss about the food web, children. Okay, so food chain we completed now. Now we will discuss about the food web. Small topic. Food web. For example, when we take the food chain now, so in that producers are there, plants are there. Okay, those are preparing the food. Okay, next, do you know it? So these plants are eaten by some animals. For example, you take a cow. Okay, next. So when we take the cow now, sometimes a cow is eaten by the tiger, and sometimes this cow is eaten by the cheetah. Okay, cheetah. So like that, and again some plants are eaten by this small. What will they eat? Okay, so you take buffalo. Okay, means what is mean, no children? And some small plants are eaten by this frog. Okay, and frog is eaten by some other snake. Okay, and buffaloes are eaten by these tigers. So like that, it is like a web, children. Okay, it is like a web. So that is why, so nothing but the food web is nothing but the eating the plants now. Okay, eating the plants, and it is forming depending. Most of the animals are depending on sometimes on the cow, sometimes on the buffaloes. It is like a web like, children. Okay, so interdepending on the animals with some animals. Okay, so that is called the food web. So these are the topics are present in the ecosystem. So what I taught today about what is meant by ecosystem, and how the energy flow in living things, how the plants are preparing food, what is meant by food chain, and what is meant by food web, children. Okay, so this is what are the points are I covered, well, that is the main points what are there in this lesson. Okay, go through the video, children. Thank you, take care.